My brothers and sisters, the church is at one of those hinge points in its history, the ending of one era and the beginning of another, each with its blessings and its challenges. If prepared, we shall neither fear nor fail in our particular time. Among other things, the past obscurity of the church is giving way to visibility. Obscurity denotes generally unknown and withdrawn from the centers of activity. Hence, the obscure is often misunderstood. The Lord described how he will bring his latter-day work forth out of obscurity and darkness. Thus, as foreseen, Christ and his work are becoming a light which can no longer be hidden. This emerging reality brings with it its own set of challenges and opportunities. For instance, though the gospel light is small, the adversary knows what it signifies, hence his disproportionate efforts to dim it. Furthermore, God has chosen to work through those whom the world regards as weak and foolish. With heightened visibility, this fact too then creates its own set of challenges. Nevertheless, God hath chosen the foolish to confound the wise, the weak to confound the mighty. Disciples need not be embarrassed by considerations of scale, any more than by the infrequency of prestigious converts, since, as Paul said, not many wise men after the flesh, not many mighty, not many noble are called. But there is still more to be allowed for. As if comparative obscurity, smallnesses to scale, and ample human imperfection in the membership of his church were not enough, the Lord wants a humble as well as a pure people. Thus, the lesson taught ancient Israel is still relevant. Only 300 warriors were used by Gideon to triumph over Israel's enemies, lest Israel vaunt themselves. The Lord chastens us so that we will remember him, trying our patience and our faith until we too learn that none could deliver them but the Lord their God. As to scale, what occurred in the gardens of Eden and Gethsemane is of enormous significance to all mankind, but it was inversely proportioned to the tiny plots of earth on which those eternity-shaping dramas were played out. Truth, as Mount Sinai showed, transcends the importance of the terrain on which it is given. The Holy Land was a comparatively small strip of sand, about 200 by 75 miles. Even so, therein occurred the central drama of all human history. Yet consider, the wondrous four Gospels tell us vital salvation.